Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Highlights. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is available in 40mm and 44mm dials. The 40mm smartwatch is backed by a 300 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 specifications. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is available in two dial sizes. The 40mm dial comes with 40.4 by 40.4 by 9.7mm dimensions and weighs 28.8 g. On the other hand, the 44mm dial measures 44.4 by 44.4 by 9.7mm in dimensions and weighs 33.8 g. While the smaller dial features a 1.3-inch, 432 by 432 pixels, display, the larger dial gets a 1.5-inch, 480 by 480 pixels, display. Both are Super AMOLED always-on displays. Samsung's base model smartwatch is equipped with a 3nm Exynos W1000 processor paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage. This is the first time Samsung has used 3nm processors in the Galaxy Watch lineup. The devices run Google's Wear OS-based One UI 6 watch. The 40mm variant is backed by a 300 mAh battery, whereas the 44mm variant gets a 425 mAh battery. Both support WPC-based wireless fast charging. The smartwatch comes with fitness trackers such as heart rate, oxygen, and sleep monitoring. The device also gets some new features such as workout routine, which lets users combine different exercises, and race, which lets them compare current and past performance in real time. In addition, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 also incorporates an AI algorithm for sleep analysis. It offers Novo FDA-authorized sleep apnea tracking, real-time alerts for abnormally high or low heart rates, atrial fibrillation monitoring, and more. Samsung claims the smartwatch can also provide users with electrocardiogram, ECG, and blood pressure monitoring.